Good morning guys, happy Saturday. Magdudumi muna tayo. Subukan natin magdumi na naman. Total dugyot naman tayo. Dirt bike KTM 450 tayo. Ito muna suot natin, mamaya na tayo magdidiis.
Try first here.
Okay.
You can try, otherwise try for back.
Ha? They're not asking. They're not asking, no? Thank you. Woo! In the house with me.
Slowly.
Slowly only. Direct?
Yeah.
From here? Direct from here?
What? Yeah. Stadium and Escort both now same thing.
Need energy to do this.
Yeah. But yeah, the people.
Some are doing work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Muscle control.
No, they usually half an hour break. They take rest.
Ah, okay. Plus na rin.
1 hour class of 2
Yeah.
Wow, that one nice. That one good.
Oh, see the people for
It's amazing experience.
selection people. Every week maybe 2-3.
Bakbak na. Okay lang yan. Masaya naman eh. Di ba? Magsaya ka, mag-enjoy ka. Yung may limit din. Huh? Hindi naman puro enjoy. Ubus biyaya. Tapos nakakalimutan mo yung responsibilidad mo. Eh, nakaka-guilty mag-enjoy pa ganun. Di ba? Enjoy lang. At be responsible. See you at peace.